TIL, of Trofim Lysenko, a Soviet agronomist who rejected conventional genetics and natural selection. Lysenko believed plants of the same species never compete, and so forced farmers to plant seeds very densely. This actually harmed yields, contributing to large famines in the USSR and later China. To get his data, he looked at the amount of growth, how many days went by, and the temperature on those days, instead of measuring any actual heat. In trying to determine the effects, he was making mistakes in statistical analysis of data. He was confronted by Nikolai Maximov, who was an expert on thermal plant development. Lysenko did not take well to this or any criticism. After this encounter, Lysenko boldly claimed that mathematics had no place in biology. "I'm no scientist, but broad proclamations like that have no place in science." While he pushed pseudoscience, Lysenko also used the power of the state to have his critics silenced. During the 1930s and 40s, the V.I. Lenin Academy of Agricultural Sciences served as a floor for debate between Lysenkoists and geneticists. On 7 August 1948, at the end of a week-long session organized by Lysenko and approved by Stalin, the VAS KNAIL announced that, from that point on, Lysenkoism would be taught as the only correct theory. Soviet scientists were forced to denounce any work that contradicted Lysenko. Several geneticists who refused to denounce the theory were executed, including Israel Agol, Solomon Levitt, Grigory Levitsky, Georgy Kopachenko, and Georgy Nadson, or sent to labor camps. One prominent critic of Lysenko, the famous Soviet geneticist and president of the Agriculture Academy, Nikolai Vavilov, was arrested in 1940 and died in prison in 1943. Before the 1930s, the Soviet Union had arguably the best genetics community. According to the Atlantic writer Sam Kean, Lysenko gutted it, and by some accounts, set Russian biology and agronomy back a half-century. Lysenko's work was eventually recognized as fraudulent by some, but not before he had wrecked the lives of many and destroyed the reputation of Russian biology, according to scientist Peter Gluckman. This motherfucker killed so many people with a hybrid of pseudoscience and kissing Stalin's ass.